Hello, friends. Welcome to our podcast. I am Pushpo, and today I am the host, and we have our guest Hasin. So, Hasin, we have heard that you have get into your new school. So, tell us something about your new school or your experience, how you get into that school, and how is your journey?
Oh, okay. So, my this school's name is RAJUK Uttara Model College. It is known as one of the best school in Bangladesh. It's really a well-known school, and the educational system of this school is very nice. The teachers are very friendly. The students are very helping, and my journey was not that much hard and not that much easy as well. I thought my Viva will be very hard. There will be 20 or 25 questions, but I have to prepare from my class 5 board book. Then as I gave my Viva, they only asked me 5 questions, and that was really very easy. What was the name of my math books chapter 14 and how many chapter was there, something like this. And I was just very nervous at the first, but then I just answered all of the questions very confidently, and surprisingly all the questions are correct. Then our VP madam just called me, then asked my name, write some of my personal informations. Then my parents were called, and after that I just got admitted to this college. Actually, my experience was not that much good because I was really in trouble because I cannot study that much for the Viva, but somehow magic I got admitted there. So that's
Okay, so it might be it might be a blessing to you.
Yeah.
Okay, so other than studying, what do you do in your free time, or what are your passions? You're passionate about something or like that?
In my leisure time, I like to play video games, or sometimes rarely I go outside and play football, cricket, or something else. But mainly I watch TV or play games, or sometimes, as I know coding as well, sometimes I try to make some new apps, or I try to develop some new games. That's all I do in my leisure time.
Okay, so have you studied or have you attended any class for coding or that making those type of games? Actually, I do not have any knowledge how to create a game and that. So
Okay,
please
so,
tell us something about that.
I just prepare for coding from an online platform. There was a batch of 5 students. We learned together. Then it was not that much easy. It has some levels, basic to higher level. It starts with scratch developing system. Then it goes up to Python or Java developing system. Python and Java are really very high developing system that are very essential in making any type of games. It's like you need to give a command to the computer, and after your command, the computer will process what you have said it, then it will give you an output. That's all I have learned from there. And I was currently in the HTML elements, the level before the Python.
Okay, so Python actually something of our topic. I think I haven't even reached there. So it's actually a topic of 11 and 12's ICT book, and I think it is really tough for you at this age. Okay, so is there, as I came to know that you are creating games, so what is your favorite game? Which game you play the most?
Actually, this is a tough question. I don't have a favorite game. That just totally depends on my mood. If I'm curious to build something surviving, then I choose a survival game. There is a very popular game in the world, Minecraft. All of them knows that. And then if generous to try something new, to like experience a new game, then I like to play Roblox, because it's like playing website, and here I can even develop some games, and it allows us to earn money by developing games.
Okay, that's interesting. So, who are your partners in playing those games?
Like, there are many of my cousins, my little sister. Like, most of my cousins, friends, and my little sister are just play with me in my lazy time. When I get time to play, I play with my little sister or my school friends, just like this.
Okay, so have you made any friends in your new school? Like, how are their people?
Actually, I didn't make any real friends, but like I talk to everybody. Like, I don't hate anybody, but I talk to everybody. But
You're like an
yeah,
extrovert.
but
Okay.
I don't like I don't make any friends, because they're not that much like friendly type. Some of them are like just not talking to me, and some of them are just ignoring me. So what can I do at that moment?
Okay, so are you interested in making new friends, or you are just not willing to make new friends? Like,
No,
is it
like
like an option or like a choice? You just do not have any other choice.
like there is a chemistry when you make any friends. If that chemistry somehow just matches, then it automatically just becomes a friends. Then you don't need to ask, hey, will you be my friend or not?
Yeah, it just clicks between two
Yeah,
people.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so are you connecting with your old friends, like from your old school?
Yeah.
Like you still talk to them?
Yeah, I still talk to just one of my friends, because I don't like to make too much friends. It's kind of trouble to talk with everybody, because yeah, it's really trouble. I have many things to do. So I just talk with my one friend from my previous school, whose name is Tafin, and even I play games with him. In my previous school, I like to play football with him, or sometimes I play cricket with him in our break time.
Okay, so you're also good at those sports, right? So,
Yeah.
like, what is your favorite, like, outdoor sport? I have heard about your indoor sport, indoor gamings or codings, but how are you on those outdoor gamings?
Okay, so when it comes about outdoor games, I prefer to play football, because it's really a very nice game. It keeps us like always fit. Football is a game, like in this game, all of your organs move, like your arms move, your legs move, and your head also turns, like where is the ball, where to kick. It is really a good exercise for us, and it really gives me a lot of joy. So I prefer to play football.
So, are you a like player or are you a goalkeeper?
Actually, this is kind of tough. I'm good at everything. Like, I'm good at goalkeeping, at defending, at midfielding, even at striking.
Okay, wow, that's very cool to hear. So, as you said that football is your favorite game, so who is your favorite footballer? Like, there is a debate between Messi and Ronaldo.
Actually, I don't hate Messi, but I like Cristiano Ronaldo for his hard work and his playing style. Just modifies me, like how to play it, how to make new moves in the football. But I also like Messi, but I like Ronaldo the most. Yeah.
Okay. Are you a Brazil supporter?
That's kind of tough, because yeah, I am a Brazil supporter, because my mom is an Argentina supporter, but my father is a Brazil supporter. So from my childhood, I love to see Brazil in the football field, though they win or not. But I feel a joy when I see them in the field.
Okay, so understandable. Okay. Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have a little sister who is like very annoying. She just keeps me disturbing in my study time or whenever I play games. Like she just try to annoy me every time.
Okay. As I came to know that you have opened a new YouTube channel, so what is your goal for that YouTube channel? Like, what are you looking forward to do with this channel?
Oh yeah, so I have recently made a YouTube channel named Englishwithhasin. So here I want to make my audience fluent in English. Like in Bangladesh, most of the people cannot speak in English well. So I'm giving training to those who cannot speak well or who do mistakes in writing English. Like as Bengali, we do good at Bangla and bad at English. So I'm trying to fix it. Like we should do good at Bangla and good at English as well. Like I'm giving some English trainings in my English channel.
Okay, that's a very great thing. So that means you are taking that YouTube channel very seriously. So what do you wanna be professional at this stage, or you are just doing it out from, like, you have another profession but you are just doing it in your leisure time? How is it?
Actually, like I don't want to be a YouTuber for real, but I'm just trying to keep it up because it can help me in my future. Like whenever I need a scholarship, it would also help me. Or if you talk about cadet admission, it would also help me there, as like it would also help me. And I just want to keep it like secondary subject. I don't just do it middle of my study, but whenever in my leisure time I got any time or any topic, like oh that's a very good topic, I can make a video on this, I just make it because it also gives me some pleasure.
Okay, so that's great to hear. So guys, that's all. Today we just learned a lot about our guest Hasin. So that's all for today. See you at our next podcast.